What if you could transform your entire appearance in less than the time it takes to blink? For octopuses, this isn't science fiction, it's their daily reality. These remarkable creatures can change their coloration in under 100 milliseconds, displaying one of nature's most sophisticated color-changing systems. That's faster than you can hit that like button. Why not try it now? Today, we're diving deep into the extraordinary world of octopus color change, exploring the complex mechanisms, evolutionary adaptations, and cutting-edge technologies inspired by these amazing creatures. Before we dive deeper, here's a question for you. How many different types of color-changing cells do you think an octopus has? Take a guess in the comments below. Let me show you something incredible. To understand how octopuses achieve their remarkable transformations, we need to explore 3 specialized types of cells that work in perfect harmony beneath their skin. Picture their skin as a living, dynamic canvas with multiple layers, each contributing to their incredible ability to change color. Let's start with chromatophores, the primary artists of this living canvas. These specialized cells contain elastic sacs filled with pigments like xanthomatin. Imagine tiny expandable balloons of color, each surrounded by a network of muscle fibers. When these muscles contract, the sac expands like an opening umbrella, making the pigment more visible. When they relax, the sac shrinks, effectively hiding the color. But what makes this system truly remarkable is its organization. Chromatophores are arranged in 3 distinct layers. Quick quiz time. Can you guess which color is in the top layer of an octopus's skin? I'll give you a hint, it's the color of the sun. Yellow pigments occupy the top layer, red pigments sit in the middle, and brown pigments form the bottom layer. This layered arrangement allows octopuses to create an impressive spectrum of colors by combining different pigments in various ways. The second layer of this living canvas contains iridophores, cells that create stunning metallic and iridescent effects. Unlike chromatophores, which work through pigment expansion, iridophores contain stacks of thin plates made of a remarkable protein called reflecting. These plates act like microscopic mirrors, reflecting light at different wavelengths to produce vibrant metallic hues, from shimmering greens and blues to brilliant golds and silvers. While this transformation is slower than chromatophores, taking seconds to minutes, it adds a crucial dimension to the octopus's color-changing repertoire. Here's a challenge for our artistic viewers. If you could design your own color-changing ability, which metallic colors would you choose? Share your dream color combination in the comments. The third key players are leucophores, the master illuminators of this biological light show. These specialized cells contain white pigments that scatter light in all directions, creating a bright, reflective backdrop that enhances the visibility of other colors. Think of leucophores as nature's own lighting technicians, adjusting brightness and contrast to perfect the overall display. Their presence allows octopuses to match both the color and brightness of their surroundings with unprecedented accuracy. But how does an octopus coordinate this complex color-changing symphony? The answer lies in one of the most fascinating nervous systems in the animal kingdom. Unlike most creatures, octopuses don't rely solely on a centralized brain. Instead, approximately 2/3 of their neurons reside outside their central brain, distributed throughout their arms in what scientists call brain pockets or nodes. This decentralized nervous system means each arm contains its own network of ganglia, clusters of neurons capable of processing information and controlling movements independently. It's as if each arm has its own mini-brain, allowing it to change color and texture without waiting for instructions from the central nervous system. The arms communicate through a neural ring, sharing information about their positions and actions, ensuring coordinated behavior despite their independent operation. Here's where the story takes an intriguing twist. Despite their mastery over color, octopuses are technically colorblind. They possess only one type of photoreceptor in their eyes, meaning they can't distinguish between different colors as humans do. Instead, they primarily detect differences in light intensity. So how do they achieve such precise color matching? Recent studies have revealed an extraordinary adaptation. Octopus skin contains additional light receptors, essentially allowing them to see with their skin. This remarkable discovery explains how they can adjust their coloration to match their surroundings so perfectly, even without traditional color vision. The environment plays a crucial role in shaping how octopuses use their color-changing abilities. In bright, shallow waters, species like Octopus cyanea, the day octopus, can change their coloration over 100 times within just a few hours. These rapid changes allow them to adapt to the dynamic lighting conditions of coral reefs and other complex habitats. Water depth also influences their color-changing strategies. In shallow waters, where sunlight penetrates easily, octopuses can utilize their full spectrum of colors. However, in deeper or murkier waters, they rely more heavily on variations in brightness and patterns, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of their color-changing system. While camouflage might be the most obvious application of their color-changing abilities, octopuses use this skill for sophisticated social communication. During aggressive encounters, they might adopt darker colorations and spread their arms to appear more intimidating. When relaxed, they often display lighter colors and smoother textures. The blue-ringed octopus provides a fascinating example of color change used for warning signals. When threatened, these small but deadly creatures can rapidly display their characteristic blue rings, a warning sign to potential predators about their powerful venom. The octopus's remarkable abilities haven't just captured our imagination, they're inspiring groundbreaking technologies. Engineers have developed flexible materials containing grids of cells that can change color in response to environmental stimuli. Temperature-sensitive dyes inspired by cephalopod skin mechanisms are being developed for military applications, while researchers are creating wearable patches that change color based on UV exposure. Some naturally occurring dyes found in cephalopod skin have been adapted to create paints that can shift between colors like yellow and red when exposed to strong light. As we continue to study these remarkable creatures, we're discovering that their abilities extend far beyond what we initially imagined. From their decentralized nervous system to their light-sensitive skin, octopuses represent one of nature's most sophisticated examples of adaptation. Their story reminds us that sometimes the most extraordinary innovations aren't created in laboratories, but are discovered in the mysterious depths of our oceans. What possibilities could we unlock by further studying these amazing creatures? How might their abilities reshape our understanding of color, consciousness, and adaptation? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of marine life. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more incredible stories from the natural world.